Fed up with that broke energy hitting every time you open your wallet? Cool, let's fix that fast. I've built a clear step-by-step guide that can upgrade your money game in no time. Stay alert. The real wins are hiding where others don't even glance. Imagine launching your own token and watching it go viral. You've got front-row access to the know-how you need. I'll show each move cleanly and honestly. Still, the crypto arena moves at breakneck speed. Hesitate and the window slams shut. If you've peeked at pump.fun lately, you know it's completely out of control. Fresh launches are flooding in back-to-back, and most don't even last a minute before collapsing. The top-tier entries are already gone, and the pros have pivoted toward better setups. What remains is a bunch of beginners gambling blind. Anyone with experience should be looking for cleaner, smarter angles to play. Seems like each new day brings another meme coin into the mix, and most are just repeats of the last. The true skill is making yours look like it's got a purpose people can get behind. Blindly betting on random coins doesn't cut it in today's market. You've got to build around a system that actually performs, and that's where Radium shines. Compared to pump.fun, it's a totally different experience. More stable action, cleaner trades, and complete control from your end. Those unexpected dumps that make everyone panic, they're calculated moves, and I'll show you how to make them work in your favor. Radium has completely leveled up the process. It took something messy and made it smooth. The energy around it is still crazy right now, so it's the best time to dive in. If you're not used to working with code, it might look a bit complicated, but don't sweat it. I'll break it all down for you. Take a breath. This bit won't trip you up. After messing with several choices, Moontool came out on top for use with Radium. It's trending hard and designed so anyone can jump in. And yeah, zero coding required. I'll show you exactly what to click. Let's be honest. People judge based on visuals, and your coin needs to stand out. Hop into Canva, punch in the dimensions 128 by 128, and design something totally offbeat. Dumb, goofy, or iconic. It all works. Hit download. And just like that, your coin's got a face to represent it. Now we're diving into Moontool. First thing, link up your wallet. I stick with Phantom since it's smooth, fast, and barely ever bugs out. Enter your token name and symbol, something like Stoolcoin for the name and STL for the tag. Add a goofy slogan if you want. Upload that image, smash next, and roll on. Alright, this is the supply setup part, basically the foundation of your token. What you enter here shapes the whole vibe and trading flow of the project. 1 billion tokens is the go-to formula that just works smoothly. Take a quick look over your details, hit next, and keep charging forward. Here comes the creator setup phase. You can choose to pay 0.1 Sol to stamp your name on the project. It's not a must-do, so don't feel pressured to use it. Better to save that little bit of Sol for flipping coins later. Press next, and keep the process smooth. You'll land on the social media screen next. There are fields for things like your Twitter and website, but don't stress over them. Radium's ecosystem already brings plenty of eyes your way. I skipped adding mine, and it didn't slow down a thing. Now you're on the authority screen. This is where legit projects stand out from the shady ones. You'll see 3 toggles: freeze, minting, and update authority. They all give you power, but too much control freaks people out. Keep them untouched and hit launch my token now. Go ahead and hit launch. Your wallet's going to ask you to confirm a couple of things. Totally standard stuff. Approve each one, and just like that, your token becomes a permanent part of the blockchain. It's that rush of finally making it happen for real. After launching, you'll see a SolScan link pop up on Moontool. Click it to double check your contract's locked and everything's running smoothly. That's when the grind begins. Time to create your liquidity pool and get your token circulating. This step changes everything. Liquidity turns your token from static to active. Without it, trading can't even happen. From Moontool, click the second link that takes you to Radium's liquidity setup. Hook up your wallet. Phantom runs flawlessly here. If it freezes, just restart using the top right menu. Copy your token's address from either SolScan or Moontool. Moontool's usually faster. Head back to Radium, paste it in, enter your coin's name and ticker. Stoolcoin and STL for mine. Hit Add User Token, and watch all 1 billion tokens appear like magic. Time to bring your token to life. Start by adding 900 million coins to the pool. Make sure Sol is your quote token, since that's the pair that really counts toss and a bit of Sol as well. Ideally between 0.4 and 2. Keep 0.2 Sol untouched, so you've got gas for transactions. After that, pick a 2% fee tier for balanced and consistent trades. You're on the final setup. Time to set your swap fee. A 2% rate is a safe bet and works flawlessly. though you can test 1% or 0.5% if you're experimenting. Once you've chosen, tap Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm in your wallet, and just like that, your pool's live and trading ready. Small but crucial step, head into Photon and check that CPMM mode for Radium is switched on. That's your ticket to getting noticed. Miss it, and your launch won't even register. Radium's reach beats Pump.Fun by a long shot. Onward to the next move. Alright, moment of truth. Time to see your chart. Grab your token address from Moontool or SoulScan, then jump onto Dex Screener. Pick any random token, replace its contract part of the link with your own, and refresh. There it is, your project live on screen. Bots will hit it first, but the real climb comes right after. You're almost across the finish line. Don't lose steam now. Open up Radium, click on Portfolio, and check that your liquidity settings look right. You'll want to see Standard Mode turned on. If it shows nothing at first, don't freak out. Radium can take 10 to 15 minutes to refresh. Let it breathe a bit, and in the meantime, jump back over to your live price chart. For this part of the live proof, I will explain what you need to do next. Bots act quickly, but don't worry, that's not all. When buyers act, it will cause the chart and liquidity to rise. Your profits are tied to liquidity. You can grab some popcorn and sit back and wait as long as you want. 50 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour, while monitoring how liquidity rises. When you feel satisfied, it will be the perfect time to take your desired loot. In the next step, I will explain how to do it. Want to cash out? Double check that your Phantom wallet is connected. If it's not linked yet, just tap the wallet icon and choose Phantom from there. Go to Standard View, find your liquidity position, and click the minus symbol to pull your funds out. Always withdraw your complete liquidity. Never leave any behind. Your soul is especially important, so take all of it. Hit Remove Liquidity, approve the Phantom transaction, and the blockchain will take care of the rest. Want those fast profits? This strategy gets it done. Tokens created this way often skyrocket right after launch, and being early just stacks the odds in your favor. The fearless get rewarded. The cautious get sidelined. Stay calm, stay sharp, and move with precision. Timing decides who wins.